Hi guys, TechBase here. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect those LEDs. You can see here, like these LEDs with this USB, simple USB. And today I'm going to demonstrate how you can connect that. Okay, so first thing you need to do is just select one of them. You can connect two, three, maximum four. Up to four, they kind of dims because there's no more energy left. So what we're going to do is take a type of USB, any kind will be fine, like this. Okay, then just cut it. When you will cut it, you will have these four wires, and these are these. Let me turn on the flashlight so you can I hope you can see them properly now. Wait, yeah, these are the four wires you will see inside of them. The black and the red are the most common, but these two, yellow and green, can be in different colors too. So this is the two wires we need. So just cut the rest of them, the green and yellow. Just I need scissors for them. If you have good, I don't have good accessories, so yeah, when you cut it them, then you need to peel them off. Just wait. As you can see, I've peeled them. There are two wires now, black and red. So now you're going to take your LED. You can order these from Amazon. They are very cheap. I've ordered 100 LEDs for 100 rupees. That means 1 rupee for one LED, but they are cheap on online. But in market, they are for 2 rupees. So yeah, then you need to take your LED and just connect two of the terminals. It doesn't work, just change the position. Like if I'm connecting like this, 50% chance that it will not work, and it doesn't work, just flip it and change the terminals. Yeah, that will work. So let me connect it and I'll show you. Yeah, I'm done with this. It will look like this. I'm connected both of their terminal with one end. I've checked where from which wire it was connected. First I connected like this, but it wasn't working. Then I switched and it worked. So now I'm going to show you. I have extended here. It is just a long extender for charging. It is connected with my adapter. I will show you. Oh, you can see it is working. And just to let you know, a warning, quick warning: don't connect it directly to a power source. I mean, not like this, but with like an adapter or high voltage, like let me show you, like this. If you just connect it directly into it, this might affect your LED and it will not work. And I just destroyed 3 of my LEDs. I didn't know, or adapter like this. These adapters have a low voltage, so it will work like this. I connected this and it worked. It is a very good DIY LED idea to make it work. And if you want to connect it with a high power source, just double the amount of LED so that the power just distributes. So yeah, that's what the video was about. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and do whatever you want to. Bye.